Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be college life hacks. My first tip has to do with laundry. So basically most people in college will do their laundry anywhere from Friday to Sunday, usually in the middle of the day or at night. Those are definitely the most popular times. So all of your washers and dryers are going to be taken up and there won't be any room for you to do your laundry. So basically what you need to do is do your laundry in the morning when no one's awake yet, or on days like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday when most people have already done their laundry for the week. That way you can assure that you will have a washer and dryer to use and your laundry will actually be able to get done. Another fun life hack is to go to your classes before you buy textbooks for them. So this is like the beginning of the semester kind of thing, because you'll never really know if you need them until you go to class. It can say on your little blackboard thing or whatever that, oh, you need to buy this book, and this book. But if you go to class, your professor might be like, we don't really need that book, it's just on there, whatever. Or they might give you an alternative. So instead of buying this book, you know, the chapters that you need will be like online here. So it just saves you a lot of money and time if you don't buy them beforehand. And a lot of the times books will be like in PDF format online somewhere. So always look up your books too to see if they have that as an option. If you're writing an essay or doing an assignment and you need to like cite sources that are good, you can always search for things using Google Scholar instead of just regular Google, because you'll actually find like scholarly articles and like good sources to cite from, and your professors will usually be impressed that you like found something that wasn't Wikipedia. Next one for all my makeup wearers out there, if you do find yourself at night in bed, you've already gotten done with the day and you haven't taken your makeup off and you really don't want to wash your face, a good way to beat yourself to that issue is to have your makeup wipes next to your bed. That way it's not the same as washing your face, but at least you took your makeup off. So you win some, you lose some. And all of my next hacks have to do with saving money, which is super important, obviously, for college students. This is probably something most of you know about already, but if you don't, you can use your student email, so like the one that ends in .edu, to get an Amazon Prime membership for free. It's like a trial, but it's, I believe, 6 months. So free Amazon Prime that you don't have to pay for just because you have a student account. For people that pay in cash when they go places, save all of your change. And I'm not talking about like your like dollar bills. I'm talking about your like quarters and your dimes and your nickels. Save all of those, because at the end of the day, eventually they will add up into being worth something that's more than like 25 cents. A lot of people I know don't like respect change as money, but like to me, money is money, and I save all of it. And then at the end of however long, I have like $100 in change. And that's $100 that you wouldn't have had if you didn't save all of your change like that. So definitely recommend doing that. And one of my last life hacks for college is going to be for people that don't have meal plans. You're going to save a lot more money when you're grocery shopping if you plan out your meals. I don't really mean meal prepping, because I definitely don't do that. And I don't even mean like down to every single meal that you're going to eat, like, oh, I'm going to eat oatmeal for breakfast, I'm going to eat a sandwich for lunch, and then I'm having pasta for dinner. You don't have to do all of that, but just like think of, if you go grocery shopping once a week, think of, you know, what you commonly eat, what you usually like, you know, your favorites, and pick those things out. Or if you do have an idea of what you want to make like Tuesday night, buy ingredients for that instead of just going to the grocery store and just like picking things out randomly. Like actually have a plan when you go shopping. That way you'll save a lot more money, you'll have more food that is actually like usable in meals to cook with, and you will thank me. So those are all of my hacks today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any requests for further videos, whether they be about college or anything else, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!